Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your SIM card or how to install your SIM card. That is the first action. And the iPhone 13 Pro can handle an eSIM plus a standard nano SIM card. An embedded SIM, it is an eSIM, SIM. This we do not need to replace because this works with software-based operations. If we are going to use that eSIM, the only thing we have to do is that is an embedded SIM or an embedded universal integrated circuit card. It is a form of a programmable SIM that is embedded directly to the device. And with that iPhone 13, that is possible to use that. Go to settings and then go to mobile. And then you can add a mobile contract. If you have papers from your eSIM delivery guy, you can scan the QR code. Otherwise, you can make it manually. For this, you will need an SMDP Plus address, then a code, and of course an agreement code. That's easy, isn't it? If you are going to use an electronic SIM card, you can make it by using the iPhone 13 Pro. But the standard way is the SIM card. The SIM card, also known as subscriber identity model or subscriber identification model, SIM, is an integrated circuit running a card operation system, a COS, that is intended to securely store the international mobile subscriber identify number and its related key, which are used to identify authentic subscribers or mobile telephones devices. And if you have a nano SIM, you can use, or if you are going to install it, you will need a SIM card extraction tool, like you can see here. Go on the left side of the iPhone 13 Pro, push into the hole until the SIM tray comes a little bit out of the surface, and then you can see you can remove the trail. That's awesome. And the next step is we have to enter the nano SIM into the SIM tray or SIM card holding system. The SIM card is it is also possible to store contact information on many SIM cards too. The SIM cards are always used on GSM phones. For CDMA phones, they are needed only for LTE-capable handsets. The SIM cards can also be used in satellite phones, smartwatches, computers, or cameras. And in this case, we will need a nano SIM card. Out there's a standard SIM card, then there is a micro SIM card, and we will need the smallest one, mini SIM with micro SIM cutout. It's a typical SIM card tray that will give your partner from, and then you can push it out to a mini SIM, and you can continue pushing it to a micro SIM. And if you have the micro SIM or the nano SIM, you can attach this to the iPhone 13 Pro, and the chip has to look to the screen. And then if you are installed that SIM card, you can go back to settings and have a look what's going on with the SIM card. Here we are, go to mobile, and here we are, some information of it. You can see it's still running, but you can also add an electronic SIM card too. So you can use a SIM card, a nano SIM or a micro SIM, and at the same time you can use an eSIM. This is possible. Both of that is possible. The good old nano SIM is a smaller thing. You will need it. The nano SIM is that SIM card which will fit to the iPhone 13, and an electronic SIM is matches too, because this is installed from the factory. And this you only have to unlock by using a code which you get from your, for example, for your T-Mobile or other TNT as well, microSIM, la 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 la. That it is. It's really easy, and you can see you do not have to shut off your iPhone 13 Pro for it. You can make this on the fly. Take care, because you will need a SIM extraction tool. Maybe you do not use a needle for it. Maybe this can hurt your iPhone. Easy going. And after this, maybe you have to enter a PIN. Then enter your PIN of your SIM card, and job's done. That it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.